125 gods in the universe, okay?
Yes.
It's not a theory, it just is. The human mind cannot comprehend, okay? We are moving through these universes, through time, space, the matter, it all bends and meshes together, okay? Right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
there are 50 universes that house these 125 gods, okay? And there are 25 gods for every universe. So it's 25 times 50, it makes 1,250 gods, okay? So you have the positive universes, which stretch from LMAO to ZLMAO. It's the same as, it goes up in alphabetical order, so LMAO, BLMAO, CLMAO, and onwards to ZLMAO, right? And then you have the negative side, which is LMAO A, LMAO B, LMAO C, all the way up to LMAO Z, okay? So, you have those two universes. My brain's beginning to fry because I can't remember what I said earlier. I'm losing LMAOQ. Right, and there are these 1,250 gods are in this universe, are in one universe. Not one universe, but like, so you have, so let's just use an example of the positive universes. So you have LMAO, then you have BLMAO, and the gods, you cannot comprehend their minds, their names, because your mind just cannot physically picture the muscular man behind him. So you have
Or is it?
LMAO. The first god of LMAO was LMAO. Right. Let your mind comprehend that shit. Okay? Let it sink in. So the next god, so it goes LMAO, and it goes BLMAO, then CLMAO. Those are how the gods work, okay? And then when you get to ZLMAO, it resets. But it doesn't reset, because it goes to the negative side of the universe. It goes to LMAO A, then LMAO B. But it gets first, before it goes to LMAO B, it has to go through the gods of the negative universe. So we have LMAO AA, LMAO AB, LMAO AC, and then all the way up to LMAO AZ. And then we have, then we move on to the next universe, which is BLMAO. And then it goes BA LMAO, BB LMAO, and then BC LMAO, as the gods move up in the positive. And we were in the positive universe of BLMAO all the way until 2016, where it reversed. The summer of 2016, you won't get a summer like that ever again. Trust me. Not for a little while. Anyway, so you have a little faith, right? So now we're in the negative universe, because we've gone through all the gods of BLMAO. So now we're in LMAO B. And at the minute, as I said before, we are with the god LMAO BF. And we are waiting for him to pass on to LMAO BL. It's the negative, because we're on the negative side of the universe. At the minute, Jack has shit internet.
Exactly.
And it can only improve ever so slightly every time we move up a god. So it'll go to LMAO BL when Jack gets fiber and finally gets decent internet.
Which then will have LAN.
And then we'll have LAN. It'll be a boom clat stuff. But you won't get LAN until the god of CLMAO. CLMAO A. That's when it will start the LAN stuff. And life can only get better until it gets worse again. And then it gets better again, and then it gets worse again. That is how the universe works. Going through time and space and matter, you cannot comprehend. You cannot name the gods, you cannot see the gods. Your mind will go explode, and your LMAOQ will be doomed to room temperature forever.
You'll just be a bot.
Can I have some little questions quickly before you enter your normal mode?
I can't, mate, or fucking my brain's fried. The gods have tapped me.
Oh god damn, I tapped you.
I can try and help you for you.
How many gods did you say there were again?
There are 1,250 gods.
And that works out the mass.
That works out not the mass as much, but that is. So you have.
Because I think from LMAO A to LMAO ZZ, there's gonna be more than 1,250.
There might be. I may have done my calculations wrong. In that case, then your mind still cannot comprehend.
Oh, right. Also,
So,
it's something
hang on.
this is
So
something
there
like
are-
Microsoft Excel. I'll be honest.
So there are 50 gods.
Yeah.
So
Wait, what?
not 50 gods. My apologies. My apologies. I told you my brain has been fried. Okay.
Right.
So there are 50 different universes.
Yeah. Wait, if we said it was what? Okay, my brain's gone as well now.
Oh, see, we got him, boys. We got him. Look who's gone.
Wait, no. 50 universes, right? There's
Right.
20
So
there's how many letters in the alphabet? How many letters are in the alphabet?
so we have the
Matthew Woods, person 1. How many letters are in the alphabet?
25.
25.
You want to recheck? You want to check
24, isn't it?
Right, let's
Is it
just
24?
go with 25.
No. The thing is, you cannot comprehend it because the gods have added. They automatically added the new alphabetic letter,
What about the
which
Chinese
is LMAO.
alphabet?
Oh, that.
Right, the point
Oh,
is, right, the maths
fuck.
doesn't add up, dude.
It does.
Not matter.
Your mind cannot comprehend. That's why it doesn't add up.
Let me just whip up my Apple fucking Casio lum calculator, right? Lum calculator. Do some numbers. quick.
And no, because we're in LMAO. Oh no.
Where are we, Barry?
When because you're in the B universe,
Mhm.
you've got the B, so it's not LMAO, it's LMAO.
Fuck. Oh wait, so,
So
you
it's now it's
25
LMAO-culator.
times 25 times 2 times
Are you working out on your LMAO-culator?
Yeah, you do your maths wrong. My lum calculator says you're lum wrong, and you need to go to lum jail for being so wrong.
Your LMAO-culator cannot comprehend. The electronics does not go there.
That's a good point actually. It's come up with syntax error. See, that probably is it. To be honest.
Exactly, it cannot comprehend. It's too much.
Don't you mean
What
lum
did I
tax
tell
error?
you?
Lum tax
Yeah,
error.
sorry.
It cannot. It cannot. It cannot. Your
Better go to
LMAO-culator
lum
cannot
jail.
comprehend.
I don't think I'm lum argue with that fucking.
No, is it Lum J or is it Lum Bale?
Lum OJ Simpson. Let's go, boys.
Are you done now?
So it's not Lum Dan, it's Lum
Oh,
Ban.
we're done.